Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Adventures. Today we're working on a 1997 Chevy 1500. The lock actuator is bad in it. When you push the button on the keychain, this door don't unlock. So I'll show you a simple and easy way how to switch that lock solenoid out. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, we have to, first thing to do is roll the window down. Okay, then we gotta take this panel off, take this plug out. There's 3 clips on this we're gonna take off. I already got these 2 screws here loose. Then we got pull the pins out. We'll take the outer door panel off. There we go. Then we gotta pop this little plug out here. Just be careful when you do that. You don't want to break no clips. I'm gonna pop all these out. Like on this one here, you push in right here. Then we gotta pop this light out here. Then we'll start at the bottom and we'll pry it up. And there we go. Okay, there's one 10mm right here. Then the rest are 7mm. Okay, some people take this whole panel all the way off, but we're not going to, because we can get to the actuator, the solenoid. It's right here. There's 4 bolts underneath. We can do that without taking this whole panel off. Some people say I take the panel off, but we're not doing that. Make it so much quicker and easier. We'll go ahead and unplug this and take the solenoid off. 1/4 inch. Okay, then we just gotta push it out of this. And there you go, there's our lock solenoid. This on eBay, it's from carparts.com. They come with a new bracket, but we're not gonna replace the bracket. And just make sure it's the same thing. It looks like it to me. And they come with new bolts and new nuts. The other ones didn't have the nuts on the top. These are looks like 5/16. So we'll take all these nuts and bolts off. I'll put them nuts on it. I suppose so they don't vibrate loose. The one I took off didn't have these nuts on it. Okay, now we gotta put this pin in there. I'm gonna put a little lubricant on that. Spray a little lube on there. Push it up in there. Plug it back in. Now we can just go ahead and put it back together again. Lube on that there too, so it don't bind up. I'm gonna put that 10mm one back in. Okay, now we can put the door panel back on. Grab all your wires. Now we'll hook up all these wires here. And that's all you have to do. Okay, we got it all done. Now it's locked. Simple fix. Anyways, I hope this video helps you out. Appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyway, you guys have a good afternoon.